Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to factory reset and completely erase all the data present in your Windows 10 PC or laptop. So let's get started. So before doing this, make sure that you have the backup of all the necessary files and folders. First thing, just go to search and search for settings and just open it, and in settings we will be having the update and security. Select it, and here we'll be having the recovery option. Click it, and here we are having reset this PC. Click on get started. Here we will be presented with two options. One is keep my files and another one is remove everything. If we select keep my files, it will remove all the apps and our settings, but it will keep our personal files. That is kind of like not full factory reset. But when it comes to remove everything, it removes all our personal files also along with apps and settings. So make a choice over here. I want to remove everything and make it like a brand new system. So I will select remove everything. And here it will ask you how would you like to reinstall Windows. I will just select local reinstall, and these are the stuff that's going to happen. I will just click on change settings. So make sure that you are checking this clean data also. This will clean the drive, and as it clearly says here, this will make it harder for the files to recover. So it will do a complete cleanup. And here we are having download Windows. If you want to download the Windows from the cloud and reinstall, you can do this, but this will take some time to download the Windows and then reinstall. I'm just fine with the existing Windows from this device itself. So I will just click on confirm. So these are stuff that's going to happen. It will remove all the apps and the files, clean the drive, then reinstall Windows from this drive itself. So I'll just click on next. So these are the final things that's going to happen. Just check it once if you have done the necessary settings, and if you click reset now, this will restart the PC and will take some time to clean everything. So final thing, make sure that you have all the things backed up and click on reset. So we will be getting this preparing to reset. Just leave it for a while and it will automatically restart and reset the system. So your system will begin to reset and you will be getting this installing Windows after some time. So just be patient for a while. So we will be getting an option to install Windows again. It will start with the region. So just select the country. After that, click on yes. And the keyboard layout, I'm fine with this. I will click on yes. I don't want to, I will click on skip. And make sure that you are connecting to your Wi-Fi over here. You will be getting this. We have to do some important setup to do. After that, be patient for a while. We will be getting the Windows 10 license agreement. Just click on accept. So next is how would you like to set up. I will just go with setup for personal use and click on next. And next is we need to add our Microsoft account. If you already have one, you can just enter the username here. If you don't have, select create account and create one. And next is use your fingerprint to sign faster. I don't want that. If you want, you can click on setup. I will just skip that. And next is create a pin. Just click on create pin over here. So I will just have include letters and symbols. I will type my pin. And next is we will be getting choose privacy settings for your device. It's totally up to you which are the things that you want to turn on and off. After you do that, click on accept. And we'll be getting let's customize your experience. You can choose whatever you want. I will just click on skip. And I don't want it. I will just click on no thanks. Just click on next. And I will just select not now. And that's it. We will be signed in to our Windows system. And as you can see here, I don't have any apps that I installed previously. Just the default ones are there. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.